We are giving away a paint gun. We have partnered with GRACO and we are sending out their Cordless True Coat Pro to one of you guys. My husband and I have been renovating a foreclosed home into our dream home for a little bit over a year, and this is definitely one of our favorite tools in our tool collection. And we are so excited to send a brand new paint gun to one of you guys. If you ask me, this is the best gun on the market. My husband and I actually bought a cheaper one first, and it was a nightmare. But after a lot of research, we found our gun. Let me show you how easy it is to use. So when you're ready to paint, you just pour your paint in the container and you attach it. You don't have to thin the paint or nothing. And once you're attached, you just squeeze all the extra air out and make sure you're on all the right settings, and you are ready to spray whatever your project is. You can spray horizontally or vertically. But the best feature about this gun by far is the cleanup. When you're ready to be done with the project and now you need to clean it, you just get rid of your paint container, put a water container back in here, screw it on, and spray. And spray until you have water. You might have to refill this up. You might have to do it 2 or 3 times, but it takes like 10 minutes. So whether you're trying to start your tool collection or grow your tool collection, you want this bad boy. And all you have to do to win a free $600 cordless brand new spray gun is make sure you subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment below. And on February 1st, we are going to pick one lucky winner. Be sure to subscribe to follow along with our journey.